Hello everyone, welcome to uh, challenge 5 of my 2024 everyday challenge video. So for the first time in 2024 I am recording a face video so that you guys also inspire yourself for making this type of video, or if you are not taking any kind of challenges, you also can share your challenges to everyone, and you can also progress your development procedure, like you are developing day by day, and you also try to make it in English so that you can actually know you can actually improve your English so much. So for the first time I have come on to camera, uh, because I am not showing the camera. I am not showing the desktop or laptop screen because I'm not today learning about so much about related to coding. I am uh, really learning a concept that is actually a Redux persist for my actual development procedure. So I'm talking about this concept actually. So what is the Redux persist? Actually, persist means persist something like a data. We are working in a web development firm, and so for our web development, data is a very crucial part. So when actually we have dealing some work with our data, so we need to figure out our data is always persist with the server and the client end. So for that issue, Redux persist actually used. So when we actually use the Redux in our web application, so then actually when actually we reload the application, then the state already goes. So Redux actually manages the state as a global, and other component or any other task actually consume from them. So that's why the Redux actually happens. So when we reload it, the Redux state is empty every time. So in here, the Redux persist came into the picture. So when we actually reload the picture, reload the tab or reload the window, the Redux persist save the data for a long time period, so that the data is not go somewhere when we actually reload the issue. So the data is always present even if we're reloading or something else. So that's why the data became persist, and in here actually Redux persist actually works here. So that's the one thing I am actually learning today. And another thing is that is actually the RTK query, which comes along with a Redux toolkit. So how the RTK query actually works? So in RTK query there is two type of concept. One is query and one is mutation. So a query is a basic type of operation that we can read the data actually, and when we actually create, update or delete the data, then actually mutation come into picture. So what is actually mutation? Mutation means changing something into somewhere. So like when we have a database, we have a table and a user one. So if we want to read some data from user one, then it is actually the query. When we will actually create a new user, or we will delete the user, or we need to update the user one, then we will actually use the mutation query, mutation operation. So that's the two-way operation I actually learned today. And these all from here, and I have also learned some other silly things, but which I'm not sharing too much, because I'm only sharing that my development journey and my things that actually push me forward. So that's all from today. I will make all the video for next three all year actually I'm planning. So please pay all from for me to for that purpose. So all the best. Okay, bye. Allah Hafiz.